Whether you are trying to disable the keyboard temporarily to avoid mistakes or need to unlock it after a period of inactivity, in this video I'll show you the steps to lock and unlock your keyboard on a Windows PC. Before diving into settings, make sure your keyboard is properly connected. Disconnect and reconnect it, and ensure that the numlock key is disabled. To lock your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key for 8 to 10 seconds. This will trigger the filter keys prompt. Click on Yes to enable the lock. Now your keyboard will be locked and you won't be able to type anything. To unlock it, simply press and hold the Shift key again for 8 to 10 seconds. This will disable the lock and allow your keyboard to function normally. If the first method didn't work for you, try the next method. Press Windows plus I to launch the Settings app, navigate to Accessibility, and select Keyboard. Enable sticky keys and filter keys by toggling the switches on to lock the keyboard. To unlock the keyboard, simply toggle off both the switches. By following these steps, you can easily lock or unlock your keyboard whenever needed. So that was it. If you have any questions or doubts, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.